Okay, before I start JPackage, let me just show you what I'm using. This is IntelliJ 2024.3.1, and here JPackage that comes with JDK is 23.0.1. Of course, the Java is going to be same version. Okay, make sure you are using same version. So let me quickly show you WiX Toolkit. You need to have that to create the exe MSI installer on Windows. Also, I'm using same version for JavaFX SDK and then JMods for JPackage. Let me open the terminal. Okay, this is the where I keep the demo jar. So start with the JPackage. You can type the installer exe, or if you don't, the default is exe. Okay, so let me delete. Input, okay, where the demo jar is located. So we'll say current directory, where I'm going to create the installer exe destination current directory. Okay, main jar. Okay, that's the demo.jar. Inside, we need to report the main class. In my case, I'm using app class. So under package, come example demo. Name of the class happen to be app. Okay, and then module path. Where is your JavaFX SDK library? Okay, now we are using JMods. Okay, JavaFX controls FXML. We used to use this path for JavaFX library, but we are using JMods for JPackage. Okay, add modules, same JavaFX controls, JavaFX FXML. Here, this is Windows shortcuts on your desktop, and then Windows menu. Okay, I think there is a mistake. Forgot to add a slash. You can use the arrow key to go up. Supposed to be Win dash shortcuts. Win menu is going to create the icon on your menu of Windows 10 or 11. Packaging process will take time. Okay, depends on your hard disk drive. It may take 2 minutes. Okay, here you go. We have just clicked demo jar directory. You can see app 1.0 exe. You can open with the Windows. Name convention is the same as your main class. Main class happen to be app. So start with the 1.0 if you don't specify. We can change later on. Okay, let me try to install. Again, installation will take time. Okay. Okay, here we go. So there will be two icons. One is on app. There will be another one on the on desktop. Windows shortcut. Okay, that's the one. I just double click. Hello. Okay, welcome to JavaFX application. Let's go to apps. Again, it's going to be alphabetic order. Here you go, 1.0. You can uninstall it. Okay, uninstall will work. Okay, the shortcut disappear. Okay, this one will disappear eventually. Okay, it's gone. Let me go back. Okay, I will show you other options. Okay, so you use the arrow key, go back to the command line. So we can say type MSI, we can change to MSI instead of EXE, which is default. Okay, here app version. If we want to change or upgrade to 2.0 somehow, you can change using app version. Okay, now it's 2.0 MSI. It works exactly the same as the EXE, so let me continue. I'm adding one more. Program name I like to change to my app. So you can say name, my app. Also you can type the description. Sorry, accidentally and pressed enter key. So let me just type the description. JavaFX 23 Hello World app. Okay. Okay, there is a typo. Description should be TION. Okay. Click the directory. Now you can see your application name changed to my app version 2.0 and then MSI. Okay, here you go, my app 2.0. I already have one icon, so you can have your own icons. There are many websites provide you how to convert your picture to icons. So hopefully you can find that out. So let me go back to previous comment. There's another option called icon. To dash icon, and then name of icon happen to be icon.ico. Okay, that's the name I have. Okay, let me click again. So we have my app 2.0. Okay, I'm currently installing. Okay, here you go. Pay attention to icon. See, now we have our own customized icon on Windows menu as well. It works exactly the same. Let me just launch application. Hello. Okay. Go to apps. So this time is my app. Okay, my app 2.0. Okay, uninstall it. Next one might be more important. I mean, next couple of options. Again, this one will disappear eventually. Okay, let's go back to previous comments again. You may need to use a J-link. Okay, JLink options. Normally I use with bind services. So JLink will help you to create your own Java virtual machines, and then bind service will assure that your application includes everything you need from Java and JavaFX and so on. So it's basically collected all those libraries, so that when you install your own application, you don't need to have a Java virtual machine on your target PC. Okay, sorry, there was a typo. It's supposed to be JLink options with S. I use also options to see what's going on, so we can do debugging when something goes wrong. But it's a good idea. It's just used clearly at the beginning. WiX Toolset at the beginning. Okay, that's why you need the WiX Toolset to create the exe using actually candle.exe, and then also use JavaFX libraries, actually JMod, and try to combine all these Java classes according to your project, and then create a installer. Okay, such as we build. So sometimes I use that option to see the additional information. So as you can see, the size of the app is much bigger. Looks like about 4 times bigger. So let me just quickly demonstrate. I'm going to remove my JDK. I have only one at this point. Remove JDK 23. Then I will try to install my Java application installer. Okay, that's not nice, but okay. I think this is the most practical ones if you want to distribute your JavaFX application on any machine without concerning whether those machines has a Java virtual machine or not. So Java version, again there is an error, obvious. I just uninstall it. So now I don't have a Java virtual machine. Let me try to install whether it works or not. It takes more time because it's a large package. Okay. Okay, there is my app shortcuts. Here is the my app. Let's try. Okay, launch. Okay, this time my JavaFX application actually works without JDK. Okay. Okay, this is what you may be consider. Okay. If you try demo Java, it doesn't work because I don't have a Java virtual machine. So sometimes you may like to use a Java package with a JLink, possibly with bind services, so that you can create the installer so that you can distribute it to any PC. Okay, that's all. Thank you.